Okay guys, today we'll discuss about discovering the benefits of virtual data room software. Virtual data room software numerous benefits of organization across various industries. Here are some key advantages of VR software. Enhanced data security. VDR software data security and provided advanced feature to protect sensitive information. The includes encryption of data in transit and rest. This includes encryption of data in transit and last limit. So efficient recovery management. Enhance data security. VDR software prioritize data security and properties expect. Efficient document management. VDR software streamlines document management process by providing a centralized platform for storing, organizing and accessing documents. Streamlined collaboration. VDR software facilities collaboration among projects stakeholders both internal and external. Global accessibility. VDR software allows authorized user to access documents and collaborate from everywhere at any time, as long as they have an internet connection. This global accessibility. Improvement due diligence. VDR software plays a crucial role in due diligence process. Enhance compliance and authenticity. VDR software helps organization meet compliance. Cost time saving. Analytic reporting. Many VDR software platform So in this video we are going to tell you analytic of reporting. Many VDR software platform offer analytic and reporting capabilities, providing insight into user activities, documents, access and engagement levels. This matrix helps administrators access project progress. The benefits of VDR. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching my videos.